Good evening. Do you know how much room here? Is this like short time? Hotel or not?
90.
Two,
3
two,
hours.
3 hours, how much? 290.
190, 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yeah.
Ah, this is parking, yes? This is
Yes.
number 8, 390 in 3 hours.
3 hours. Yeah, parking. Only 3 parking.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Не Capital Hill Hotel. Не what name of hotel? Бумеранг Hotel. Good evening. How much room here in this?
These are our rates, regular rates.
Regular rates now. If pay cash, it's one
Yes, sir.
side.
If you pay cash, we give 15% discount.
Do you have now this is simple room? Can I see simple room?
Just one.
Yes, one. This is room rates.
Submit lang, G.
Okay, okay. This is lobby. Australian visas also. Blue book, small. One big ones. Okay, thank you. Oh, have swimming pool. Room number 12.
This is ground floor, 2,400, the regular rate. If you pay cash, 2,040.
Okay, it's good.
That's 15% discount.
15% discount. Aircon, refrigerator. Safety box. Huh? Safety. Maybe.
Here.
Here maybe. Okay, safety box here. It's good. Hot water. Hot
Yeah,
water
there
also.
is,
Well, it's good have like this. It's better. Good. It's good, not noisy. Breakfast need additional pay 440. 440
Yeah, it
additional.
depends on the menu.
Depend of
Yeah.
menu. Okay, okay, thank you.
This one is only for accommodation of 2,400.
Okay, okay, thank you. It's good. But now it's low season, not so many people available. Because before I been here, all room is busy, occupied here. What's why
Even now we're half.
half?
Yeah.
It's already better. Better than before. Okay, thank you for information. This is hotel is Boomerang T-shirt. T-shirt is 700 peso. Okay, thank you. And this hotel is very close from the bars, Perimeter Road bars. This is hotel. This bar name Nifty and Rio. Nifty and Rio. It's all abandoned. Before it's also bars. I can walk until Blue Book and come back to check bars also. There's bars before. You see. Before it's Matrix Brown Bar. Hi. Excuse me, do you know what they built this one? What they want to do? This one?
This one?
Yes, yes.
Stall.
But up is what is?
House.
House is up together in store. Ah, okay. Thank you very much. It's good house, and who want to sell something also in the first floor. I think maybe after New Year they will open. Ah, this is bar. No way bar name. No way bar. So go inside maybe to the stairs. Of course not. A joke only. Pizza until 10 p.m. Blue Book closed already. Rent Motor already not close. Nice bike. Nice bike, yes. From 6. Oh, from 8 to 6 now already. After 10 minutes they close. I will ask. Excuse me, how much this is Aerox for rent for 1 month?
1 month,
Yes.
9,000, sir.
9,000 1 month.
Yes,
He
sir.
also can rent 1 day or not?
1 day can rent also. 600 1 day.
600 1 day. This is NMAX. So how much NMAX?
Then max 700 1 day.
700 1 day. 100 more than in Aerox.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. This is okay. Have website and website all have information.
Yes,
okay, thank you. Need only driver license international. Deposit need pay or not?
2,000 deposit.
2,000 deposit. Passport need or not? Not need pass. Only
Only copy of the driver license.
copy driver license. Even driver license not need. Only copy.
Yes, sir. Only copy.
Ili-
Just you need when you drive.
Okay.
The original.
Okay, and you give document, copy
Yes,
of
sir.
document.
Gasoline is full and then you must return also full.
Okay, thank you. You work until 6 p.m.
We
Okay,
open every day.
every day.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. I will show to my YouTube channel. Not need passport, only copy driver license. It's okay. Today good weather, don't have rain. All day cloudy, only evening. You can see sun, only evening. CNBC Resto Bar. CNBC. Thank you. Apartment for rent. Grey Fox Bar. Happy hours, drink 70 peso until 3 p.m. Fried chicken 360 peso. It's okay. ATM International, but try it before, not working Filipino card. I don't know why. Candy bar, candy. I think it's a sold picture now in candy bar already. This girl sold already. Or maybe not working already. Night. Moths. Night. Traffic today. 6 p.m. traffic. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, because I will go to meet with Georgi and we go to eat. Because now 6 p.m. Georgi already messaged to me, he filming before 6, he filming in Walking Street. So I go to Balibago.